A city famous of its important touristic status and wonderful natural places, which has made it very wanted by everyone. One of the Algerian sea towns, known as Skikda, situated in its northeast, bordered by the Mediterranean Sea in the north, Annaba in the east, Gigli in the west, and Constantine and Gelma in the south. It joined 13 dairas and 38 districts. The capital described as the bride of the Mediterranean Sea and the pearl of the east of Algeria. It is the council Skikda. Its borders are Firfila in the east, Ain Zwit in the west, the Mediterranean Sea in the north, Al Hadayaq and Hamadi Kroma in the south. Its aspects are mainly agricultural, mountainous, and industrial. During the years, Skikda has been called differently from one era to another, leaving after each name a civilization and a community whose stamp is still alive. Its historical data goes to the Phoenician period. During this period, Skikda was called Safsaf, Tapsus, Tapsa. This town was founded with the existence of the port of Stora, where the Phoenicians found that it was the best place for their commercial benefits, fishing mainly the morix, which is a shell containing a red purple liquid to color their sails. In general, the Phoenicians had not left memorable facts or monumental benefits, except some engraving and sculptures in Stora. After this comes the Romans. In this period started with the triumph of Caesar in 47 before the Christ on the north of Algeria, where he had taken a sea-eastern city which he named Rusicada, meaning by Ras the head and Cicada the crane. And the meaning of Rusicada is mainly the cap of the crane. After a century of being a Roman property, Rusicada had seen its golden age. After 74 before the Christ comes the Vandal period. In this period, we have that the north of Algeria attracted mainly the German and the Vandal, who attacked it. This made the Roman position very weak. The Vandal had taken Rusicada easily, but the Byzantine captain Belisar attacked the Vandal king Jelim, who had escaped from Rusicada to the mountain of Idug in Annaba in 533. After the escape of the Vandal king Jelim, the Muslim has taken Skikda, which had taken the Arabic language as the official one. During this period, Skikda was governed by the Fatimists, and Ibn Khaldun was the only famous historian and is the only famous historian who had spoken about the interests of Beni Hilal and Beni Salim tribes. Muwahhidun had played an important role to make them strengthening. Comes after the Turkish, where their history was not known for the citizens of Skikda. The unique information about them is that they were centered in the city of Kulu. With the French, like all the Algerian towns, Skikda's coast was attacked in 1838 by the French forces, who were fixed in a place called Ras Dib, which the colonialists named the Port of France. Then Philippeville to memorize the French king Louis Philippe. Without leaving this long space of time going away, we should mention the events of the 20th August 55, planified by the Captain Zeroud Youssef in order to free the blockade made in the Aures. These events were known by the citizens the night of the Seven Bombs. Skikda will never forget these ugly events done by the French colonialism, and the 20th August 55 stadium witnessed it, where thousands of people were shot and buried together. More than 5,000 martyrs to get the independence, like all the Algerian cities in the 5th of July 62. After the independence, Algeria saw another wave, an increase in its economy. Skikda, as all the Algerian cities, saw and has a very strong industrial base with the year, and which purpose is mainly the refining of oil. The Refining Petroleum Corporation of Skikda is considered as one of the most important resources of benefits for its economy, having as a main function filtering the crude oil coming from Hassim Saoud and Erzil with the yearly production of 5,000 tons, adding to the important refined oil with the capacity of production of 1,271 tons in the year. This filter is situated in the industrial area, 7 kilometers from the east of the town, and it employs 4,485 workers. Skikda's filter is supplied with the raw Algerian oil by the Algerian Eastern Transport Unity. 640 kilometers is the distance between the oil well and the corporation. The transfer is made with pipes which relay directly the oil well to the filter. The construction of the corporation of Skikda started in January 1976, according to the contract signed on the 30th of April 1974 between the Algerian government and the Italian company Snam Progetti Wissam. The works began officially on the 11th of March 1975 with the Algerian partnership Sonatrach, Sonatiba, the Meton National Company Asmital. When we speak about Skikda, we cannot forget its agriculture. Skikda is agriculturally well considered thanks to its large lands. The cereals occupy an area of 110 acres divided to 68 acres of wheat, 40 acres barley, 10 acres of oats, and 36 acres of dried vegetables, without forgetting the citrus fruit occupying 98 acres, centered in the coast hills of the town because of its too much need of water. Skikda is famous for the strawberries, which production is more than 3,750 quintals, occupying 65 acres. Without leaving agriculture, we should mention the grazing stock, which is a very important natural resource. Skikda is rich of its industry, agriculture, and sea resources, mainly fishing. These characteristics make her in need of a big and polyvalent harbor. Indeed, there is a commercial harbor through which the external exchanges are achieved, and there are also smaller ones for fishing as Kulu, Marsa, and Stora. As far as fishing is concerned, we can notice that there are 1,078 fishermen who work almost on old smicks, something which explains the low rates of fish production in the town. The commerce in Skikda is divided into two main aspects, internal and external. The internal field is based mainly on the change and exchange of agricultural products. The external one is based on the exportation of plastic, petroleum, and gas. Skikda has many schools, joined with the different stages of education, primary, middle, and secondary. Concerning the last stage, we can believe that there are 5 secondary schools in addition to 3 technical ones. Furthermore, there are 2 professional centers, a number of institutes, and 2 universities. The first university is located in Mirjadib. It comprises a number of institutes which are electronics, law, instruction to get teachers in the technical field. The second university is in Al-Hadayaq. It is newly constructed. It comprises the following institutes: technology, computer science, management, and civil engineering. Skikda is a cultural center. It is the mother of many authors, poets, and painters, as Hassan Shibli, Salah Zaid, Jamila Zanir, Mohammed Boushir, and so many others. In reality, this is not an Occidental fact, since there are many cultural centers as Research Idir, which is considered as the most and important active centers. This one has a library which offers to its adherents various books. It has also a mediathèque equipped by the internet and a large hall in which the different festivities are held. Adding to that, there is a school of arts and 2 theaters. Skikda holds festivals touching various aspects as literary criticism, painting. There are also occasional festivals. The town is famous for the so-called the Strawberries Feast and Rusicada Festival, which has an international feel. Skikda attracts many tourists. This is due to its rich historical heritage, which consists in the Roman prison, the Roman storehouse, the Roman tombs, which are located in Wed Tanji. We can add also the Dolman tombs, the Roman harbor, the Roman theater, the antique mosque, Sidi al-Dib, Ben Gana Castle, and so many other monuments. Skikda has beautiful beaches as Ben Mhidi and Stora. It has a number of hotels too. Skikda gave birth to many champions in various disciplines. Among these, we should mention the brother Bouchesh, who created Skikda's football team called GSMS and made the level of the local players to be higher. This helped them to join the National Front of Liberation team in order to make the Algerian approach known over the stadium of Europe, Africa and Asia. Skikda's GSMS football team knew a large fame, especially in the 70s, when it reached the final phase of the Algerian Cup. Unfortunately, they lose the match against Sétif with 0-1. Its famous players are Draoui Issa, Boujneh, and others. During the 80s, the team GSMS became MBS, and the coach was Boujneh. During this period, the fame of Guerriri, called Biti Draoui, Qarrout, Tabbel, and many others. Besides this team, we cannot forget mentioning the team of WBS. Football is not the only discipline in Skikda. There are other activities like basketball, gymnastics, handball. This latter got satisfactory results on local and national skeleton as Sayad and Mokhnesh. There were also a very good team of cycling and a big school for boxing, which saw the birth and the growing up of many champions as Mohamed Boussaboua, who got the Algerian Cup in 1989. Skikda is a magical city. It is a land bordered by high mountains and beautiful virgin beaches decorated by historical monuments, followed by fertile areas and big economic corporations, waiting for a better exploitation of all these latter resources to be greater, so that she will be able to compete with national and international cities.